Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 on your iPhone. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. So press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. And right here we have it. You can also use a search and write batteries here and tap here at this line. And right here we have 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected with your phone. The second option is to use an application. You need to open Baseus app and of course you need to add your headphones to the application. Then you will see a battery percentages right here at the device list, or you can tap at your headphones and check it here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!